Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Commerzbank app showing a black or white screen on your phone. First, open your recent apps, then find the Commerce app and swipe it away to close it, then open it again. Next, restart the device. This refreshes the system and fixes temporary glitches. Then make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try switching between networks. Then head over to your app store, then search for the Commerzbank and update your app. Updating the app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. If the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app, then log in again. Disable VPN if you're using one, and that's it. That's how to fix the Commerzbank app black screen issue. Like and subscribe for more help.